If only, if only I had a heart. Oh, I have, but it's made out of wood. Well, you see, Valentine's Day is just around the corner. And if you're looking for a quick and easy gift idea that pretty much anybody could make with limited tools, well, then this is it. It has to be. No? Oh, okay. Well, I'm going to make it anyway. I'm going to be making it using my scroll saw. You could use a coping saw if you like, or a bandsaw. Do the same job, might have a little bit more sanding to do. But I'll be using the scroll saw. But first, what shall I make it out of? Okay, it's got to be wood. Oh, I know. How about a piece of old oak? Probably over 100 years old. Come out of the house, you know. So, no further ado, let's make a tea light holder out of an old piece of wood. Oh, look, it's so beautiful. Oh, let's surprise the missus. Oh, darling, where are you? Okay, I just made you a gift. I made you this beautiful tea light in the shape of a heart.
Oh dear, what another one?
Oh, toodaloo.